Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin Forerunner 255 to Strava. First, make sure you have the Garmin Connect app installed on your smartphone and that it's up to date. Open the app and log in to your Garmin account. It's crucial that your Garmin Forerunner 255 is already successfully paired and syncing with your Garmin Connect account before proceeding to the next steps. This ensures a smooth integration process. Now let's authorize the connection. From the main screen of your Garmin Connect app, tap on the More menu, usually found in the bottom right corner. Next, select Settings from the menu that appears. Within the settings, you'll find an option called Connected Apps. Tap on this, and then you should see Strava listed among the available applications. Select Strava to begin the authorization process. To link your accounts, tap the Connect with Strava button. This action will redirect you to the Strava login page in your web browser. Carefully enter your Strava username and password to log into your account. After successful login, Strava will ask for your permission to allow Garmin Connect to access and upload your activity data. Make sure to grant these permissions to complete the connection. Finally, let's verify the connection. Return to the Connected Apps section in Garmin Connect. It should now display Connected next to Strava. To fully confirm, record a short test activity with your Garmin Forerunner 255. Once saved, open your Strava app or website. Your test activity should appear in your Strava feed within a few moments, confirming a successful and seamless integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.